Are you looking for the best mini PC under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best mini PC under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GMKtec M6 Mini PC. GMKtec M6 Mini PC equips with 6-core/12-thread AMD Ryzen 5-6600H, the base frequency is 3.3 GHz/ the dynamic frequency can reach 4.5 GHz, with 16 GB of memory capacity, and 512 GB hard drive capacity provides ample storage space for all your files, documents, and media content. Features Wi-Fi 6E, RZ616, and BT 5.2 for fast and reliable internet connectivity and wireless data transfer, enhancing your online experience. Connect to 3 screens simultaneously using HDMI 2.0x1, DP 1.4 and Type-C, USB 4.0. Waste your time is fitting fun around work. GMKtec M6 Mini PC equipped with 2x Gigabit Ethernet LAN, RJ45, supporting gigabit file transfer speeds, 2x USB 3.2, Gen 2, 1x USB 3.2, 1x USB 2.0, HDMI 2.0x1, 3.5mm audio jack, plenty ports for connectivity, simultaneous multi-program, balance your work and gaming needs. The free VESA mount enables you to mount the mini PC to the back of your monitor or on a wall. Makes the surrounding area look even more tidy. This mini PC has a built-in powerful fan, heat pipe, and upgraded aluminum plate to effectively dissipate heat, run calmly and enjoy coolness. Number 2. GEEKOM Mini PC Mini. The GEEKOM Mini Air 12 Mini PC features the latest Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake N100 processor, for C/4T, 6M cache, up to 3.4 GHz. It delivers over 25% higher performance than the N5105/N5095, perfect for tasks like web browsing, spreadsheet editing, and light gaming. Plus, the Air 12 Mini PC has a power consumption of only 45 watts, making it more energy efficient than traditional tower PCs. Single-channel DDR5-4800 memory with 16 GB RAM ensures fast application launch and loading. The M.2 SSD with 512 GB of onboard storage and support for expansion up to 1 TB will cover all your mass storage needs. Featuring 12th Intel UHD graphics, GEEKOM Mini Air 12 Mini computer supports 4K screen display and provides a visual shock. With HDMI and mini DisplayPort output interfaces, you can also drive 2 4K displays simultaneously, making it ideal for home entertainment, office computing, digital signage, and more scenarios. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, you'll experience lightning-fast browsing, seamless movie streaming, and effortless file downloads. Bluetooth 5.2 makes connecting wireless devices like keyboards, mice, and speakers a breeze, eliminating the need for messy wired desktop setups. The Mini Air 12 Mini Nuke PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and is also compatible with other operating systems such as Windows 10, Ubuntu Linux and FidoOS. Number 3. Acemagic AMR5 Mini PC. Our W11 RGB vertical mini PC stands out from the competition with its unique vertical design and colorful RGB backlighting to create a nice and stylish atmosphere. The upright design also saves space on your desk and provides easy access to ports and buttons. With our mini PC, you get practical and stylish equipment. Our mini PC is equipped with 3 adjustable modes: performance mode, balanced mode, and power saving mode. You can easily switch between these modes depending on your needs. Whether you're working on resource-intensive tasks or just using your mini PC to surf the web, our mini PC offers the flexibility and functionality you need to complete your tasks efficiently. One of the highlights of our mini PC is its 16 GB DDR4 RAM and 512 GB SSD storage capacity. This memory configuration is ideal for tasks that require a large amount of RAM and fast storage. Plus, our mini PC provides a fast and smooth user experience that improves the efficiency and productivity of your work. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800U processor is a mobile processor based on the 7nm Zen 3 architecture, offering a maximum frequency of 4.4 GHz. It has 8 physical cores and 16 threads, providing high performance and excellent multitasking capacity. In addition, it is equipped with AMD's Precision Boost 2 technology and Smart Access Memory technology, improving the efficiency of internal data transfers. Number 4. Minisforum NAB6 Mini PC. The Minisforum NAB9 Mini PC is equipped with Core i9-12900HK, 14 cores/20 threads/ up to 5.0 GHz processor. With Intel Iris Xe graphics eligible, the graphics frequency up to 1.45 GHz, it offers an excellent performance of internet and office applications, monitors, projects and TVs. This i9 Mini PC is equipped with 2x HDMI, 4K at 60 Hz, and 2x USB-C, 4K at 60 Hz, outputs. You can connect Ultra HD screens to 4 displays at the same time. Increase work efficiency by expanding multiple workspaces. It can be used for various applications such as video wall systems, digital signage, professional AV systems, and security fields. This mini computer comes with 2 DDR SODIMM slots, up to 64 GB, plus M.2 2280 PCIe 4.0 SSD slot, up to 2 TB. It supports ultra-high-speed PCIe 4.0 SSD. The read and write speed is about 4 times faster than SATA SSD. The operating system and games will run faster. It also equipped with one 2.5-inch SATA HDD, SATA 3.0 6.0 gigabits per second slots. You can easily store movies/digital camera photos without worrying about running out of space. Number 5. Higole Gole 1 Pro Mini PC. Higole PC Mini Computer about 5.59 x 3.58 x 0.75 inch, can be used without mouse and keyboard and built-in battery can use about 5 hours. You can control any other laptop via remote desktop protocol from the microcomputer if you are outside office, study or control for smart home systems. Gole 1 Pro Mini PC is a good choice. The Mini PC pre-installed with the newest Win 11 Pro and a valid license, which is support to remote desktop access. It has TPM 2.0 hardware and supports Win 11 Pro upgrade. Supports Win 10, mini computer, support IoT building, ideal for developers and programmers running dual custom OS. This small mini PC equipped with faster J4125 processor with CPU/GPU throttling, it's a competent quad-core fanless mini PC that does a decent job at business, family and entertainment daily tasks. Its base operating frequency 2.0 GHz per second to 2.7 GHz, per megabytes cache, draws under 10 watts of power. Metal body helps to expel heat quickly and completely silent, no noise, can improve efficiency. The newest Wi-Fi 6.0 mini PC, with dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5.0 GHz, can reach 1,300 megabits per second that provide double newly faster internet experience. Gigabit Ethernet supports 10/100/1000 Mbps, Bluetooth 5.2 fast data transfer speed up to 2 megabits per second, for web surfing, news reading, text editing, emailing provides a different surfing experience.